The power steering fluid reservoir in 2002-2012 Ford Fusions is a key part of the hydraulic power steering system. It stores the fluid needed to assist your steering. Its location varies slightly depending on the year and engine. For 2002-2005 models, look on the driver's side firewall or fender well. For 2006 to 2012 models, it's commonly attached to the power steering pump or near the firewall. Check your owner's manual for the precise location for your specific engine type, as it might be hidden under engine covers. It's labeled power steering fluid or has a steering wheel icon. To check the power steering fluid, first park your Fusion on a level surface with the engine off. This ensures an accurate fluid level reading. Next, locate the power steering fluid reservoir under the hood. It's usually on the driver's side near the engine. Clean the cap and dipstick to ensure an accurate reading. Remove the cap and check the fluid level on the dipstick or sight glass. The level should be between the min and max marks. If the fluid level is low, you'll need to add more power steering fluid. A low level can indicate a leak in the system, which should be addressed promptly. Ignoring low fluid levels can lead to steering problems and costly repairs. If the fluid is low, first confirm the recommended fluid type for your specific year in the owner's manual. For most Ford Fusion models from 2002 to 2012, this is typically Motorcraft Mercon or Mercon V ATF. Using the wrong type can damage seals and cause leaks. Use a funnel to carefully add the fluid to the reservoir. This prevents spills and helps control the flow. Add the fluid slowly to avoid overfilling, which can cause leaks or foaming in the system. Add fluid until it reaches the max mark on the reservoir. Avoid overfilling, as excess fluid can cause leaks or foaming, which reduces the system's effectiveness and may damage components. After topping up, run the engine briefly for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Recheck the fluid level to ensure it remains within the proper range, as the fluid may settle or expand slightly. Clean up any spills immediately using rags or absorbent materials. Power steering fluid is toxic and can cause skin irritation or environmental harm if not handled properly. Dispose of used rags and containers according to local regulations. Using the correct type of power steering fluid is crucial. Consult your Ford Fusion's owner's manual to identify the specific fluid recommended for your model year. Using the wrong fluid can damage seals and hoses, leading to leaks or pump failure. For most 2002-2012 Fusions, Motorcraft Mercon or Mercon V ATF is generally specified, but always verify. Consider synthetic fluids for better performance in harsh climates, as recommended by Ford service bulletins since 2025. Power steering problems can manifest in several ways. Be aware of these key symptoms. One sign is difficulty steering. One sign is whining noise when turning. One sign is vibrations in steering wheel. One sign is dark or milky fluid. These symptoms can indicate leaks, a failing pump, or contaminated fluid. Address these issues promptly to prevent further damage and ensure safe driving. Leaks are a common problem in older Fusions. Check for wet spots around the reservoir, hoses, and steering rack. Contaminated fluid appearing dark or milky indicates internal issues or water intrusion. A cracked reservoir hose, as reported in common issue case studies, can also cause leaks. Repairing leaks promptly prevents further damage and maintains optimal steering performance. Flushing the system may be necessary if the fluid is contaminated. When checking or topping up power steering fluid, you'll need a few basic tools: a funnel for pouring fluid without spills, clean rags for wiping components, and protective gloves to handle the fluid safely. Safety is paramount when working with automotive fluids. Always wear gloves to protect your skin from contact with the toxic power steering fluid. When disposing of used fluid, take it to an auto parts store or recycling center for proper environmental handling. The automotive industry is shifting towards electric power steering, which eliminates the need for a fluid reservoir entirely. Newer Ford models, like those post-2019, use EPS systems that rely on sensors and motors instead of hydraulic fluid. However, for 2002-2012 Ford Fusions with hydraulic systems, maintaining the power steering fluid reservoir is essential for the vehicle's lifespan. As parts for these older systems become scarcer, consider upgrading to newer vehicles or exploring aftermarket EPS conversion kits as a long-term solution. Keep in mind that hydraulic systems like those in older Fusions will become obsolete for new vehicles, making maintenance increasingly important for current owners.